third grade. Let's talk through your dictionary dive, and then I want to see how you do matching your vocabulary words with the terms, and then I want you to, the best way for me to see if you understand the meanings of the words is how you put them into a sentence, and that's a lot harder. So in your Spelling City today, when you get to that, we'll do that last after we practice here. I'm really looking to see that you understand the meanings of the words and you're not just sticking them in a sentence. So think about a full, complete sentence. Think about your punctuation, but really think about, am I demonstrating that I understand what this word means? Does my sentence make sense? For example, you don't want to write, the caper was cool. Because maybe the caper was cool, maybe it wasn't, but I don't really know that you understand the meaning of that word from that example. See what I mean? So if you said something like, the bank robbers were planning a caper, then I would know that you understand the meaning of the word. So think about that in your Spelling City today, okay? All right, so you did your dictionary dive. Maybe some of the wording might be a little bit different, but going forward, you'll have these definitions and you'll have your list all set in your Spelling City vocab too. So you can reference those words and get used to, we can all use the same definitions, okay? So first, I would like to point out that in our words, there were quite a few that had the suffix ed. So I'm not going to miss that opportunity to talk about that. So let's take a look. Ed changes our words. The suffix ed means past. Past tense, happened already, past. All right, so we have intrigue, we have preoccupy, and we have maim root words. And we're adding the ed on them, making them past. They already happened. So think about that when you are writing your sentences. They've got to make sense with the suffix ed. So if we add our ed to intrigue, then we get intrigued. Preoccupy has y on the end, so we had to add ied. Preoccupied, now it's in the past. I was preoccupied with my work, so I missed breakfast. See what I mean? So think about that when you're writing your sentences. Maim is the root word. When we put on the ed, now we have maimed. So the, I don't want to think of anything too awful, but maybe the animal was maimed when it got caught in the trap. But you see what I'm saying, okay? So don't just rush through and write any old sentence. I'm really looking to see that you're telling me that you understand the meanings of these words. If it will help you to keep your list that you made in your novel folder, your dictionary dive with you when you're trying to write your sentences, then do that, okay? Because I want quality sentences and I want to see that you understand the meanings. For the Google form right here, all you're doing is matching. You're matching your word with a definition, telling me which one goes with which, okay? So that explains your language arts for today, and I will see you next time.